What's up, family? This is part 2 of Fact Friday. Last time, we talked about the early history of life insurance and how Black people were denied it, overcharged for it, or only included in it as property. So today, we're picking up from that point in history because what happens next is powerful. When slavery ended, Black families started their new life with no land, no inheritance, no savings, and no generational wealth. Meanwhile, white families, many funded by insurance payouts on enslaved people, had a head start. So Black communities needed something that could create stability, dignity, and generational wealth, starting from zero. Life insurance quickly became that tool. Because big insurance companies still refused to insure Black people fairly, Black communities created their own solutions. Number one was the Church Benevolence Fund. Members paid small dues, and families received money for funerals and emergencies. Number two is fraternal societies. These groups help families cover burials, sicknesses, and hardships. The last thing is Black mutual aid societies. They operated like mini insurance companies. People contribute small weekly amounts. When someone died, the family received the benefit. This created the first form of a community-based wealth distribution. It wasn't millions, but for the first time, Black families had protection. Now this is where the shift towards real wealth building begins. Remember in part 1 where we talked about the two Black-owned insurance companies, North Carolina Mutual and Atlanta Life? These companies just didn't sell insurance. They built Black wealth. They funded home ownership, Black businesses, schools, Black hospitals, and entire neighborhoods. Insurance became a tool for empowerment. Here's why life insurance became such a powerful wealth builder in the Black community. Number one, it created instant inheritance. A family with no savings could now leave 5,000, 10,000, even 25,000 behind. That money paid off debt, sent kids to school, bought houses, and started businesses. Number two, it protected families from financial collapse. Funeral costs were devastating. Insurance stopped families from falling deeper into debt every time someone passed away. Number three, it became a pathway to the middle class. Life insurance companies hired Black agents, managers, accountants, and executives, creating stable and respectable careers during segregation. Number four, it became an equalizer. You didn't need perfect credit. You didn't need to be wealthy. You didn't need new connections. All you needed was consistency. Let me share a story that's similar to what most Black families experienced. There was a grandmother who kept all her important papers in a small metal shoebox underneath her bed. In that box, she had the deed to her house, a stack of church envelopes, and a $5,000 life insurance policy that she bought in the 1960s. When she passed, that $5,000 allowed her family to pay for the funeral, keep her house, pay off a few debts, and still have enough left over for her granddaughter to start college. That one small policy changed 3 generations. That's why our grandparents bought life insurance before they bought new shoes. They understood something that most people overlook today. Life insurance is the foundation to build generational wealth. Today, the tools are even more powerful. You have a larger coverage. You have living benefits. You have cash value growth. You have tax-free wealth transfer. And you have wealth that grows while you're still alive. But the principle stays the same. Life insurance is one of the few wealth building tools in America that doesn't discriminate by income, background, or family history. It levels the playing field. Life insurance became a wealth building tool in the Black community because we used it as both power and protection. Now that you know the history, we can start talking about the options that you have available today and how they work. Next time, we're breaking down how modern policies work and which types build wealth the best. If you're ready to get started building wealth for your family, send me a DM.